For some time when we say election can start and all of that, just before there we come and say most of our roads can't get the way it be for those states. We can't wonder traffic congestion. People they carry passengers, they drop them for Ring Road. People they carry passengers, they drop them for even TED. Around marketplaces, places there when we say they're supposed to pick or drop passengers, because they say people they do anyhow. I will kind of say for example for Mission Road, New Benin area, people they park their vehicles the way it be say they don't like. We can't ask now say people they won't be say they in charge where they can't they. I make call Wakago I'll go meet the state the managing director, I've been the general manager, okay, managing director.
Yes.
Anyone of Edo State Traffic Management Agency may contact to us. Our friend and brother Dennis Odori, welcome to our program.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sadu.
I greet you well. When you say you drive the corner, you say the road, it lets you pass.
Yes.
Come, because maybe people when they run, they go school, they don't run, go school. People when they say they go, don't go walk, the road don't clear, small and the rest. And nobody went to like clear roads.
Yes.
All of us, they like clear roads then. But with the surprise, say, around before election, just before election time and all of that, Ring Road, and where we say people, they carry passengers now, they pick passengers, they drop passengers. Why it can't be like that?
You know, say it don't reach almost 1.5 years when we start this work. And for traffic management, we get international best practice. Not be saying now waiting they do not be only with formal. There is international best practice all over the world. So we follow the rules. After you walk, we don't start to do, we know we started with enlightenment. From enlightenment, we go enforcement. So enforcement, we don't do them for more than 1 year. When you do them for some time, you go break to watch whether people go do what they call voluntary compliance. So now our own, we can shift and come during election time. Why we do them? Because during election,
we not shift come election time.
During the election time, now we can't do what we call access to voluntary compliance.
Okay.
That is the people when we don't they catch for 1 year, they catch.
Tomorrow we see whether they go fit.
If we don't catch them, they go.
Well, they fit do on
their own. Go voluntarily, they go obey. So now we shift time. Why we shift time for that period? Because during we don't want to hit up the politics. During the election time, people are charged up. Any small thing, they go vex. Okay, maybe we use and word say okay. People when we they catch for 1 year, every day, every morning, every afternoon.
So they don't get sense now.
They don't get sense. Now we can say, okay, we just watch. What we do now to just control traffic. But we discover say they were not complying. The voluntary compliance we get was just 35%.
Not even
and waiting, yeah, it not reach 50. Waiting international best practice is 62%. That is, if people feel comply on their own 62%, then you can now add enlightenment and engineering to make sure infrastructure.
People they tell us say because this one we say they talking about say you want to tell us one thing when we say I will take out our mind. People they tell us say during the time of election because people only like and say now they drive them and the rest of that. Make it not be like say we not suit them now. We not be say at the end of the day of verse they not could put half our paper and all of that. Then make them bless and allow them to do at that time. Because we say during election time everywhere they relaxed. Who they pick passengers for Ringo, they pick passengers. Who they park the way one park, they park the way one park. So people say if we go park motor, take cross the ring road, people never see where to park.
We will not be politicians. And
but they work for politicians.
And that time.
But they work for politicians.
No, they work for government.
Okay.
Now government work now we
okay,
do. Government work. You can separate them. Okay. But what I want to tell you, you see, not be because say we they beg for people. No. You see, if you watch even that period. Even the road safety too, the operation no hot as before. You hardly see them. Everybody concentrated in one sensitization. What we do, we do election monitoring. We were in the street. We were working with security agents. If we see anything that we no understand, we they pass message across. We see some group they go like this. The way they carry stick, carry everything. Those are part of election monitoring. So we were more involved in sensitizing the people, looking at what is happening for the society, bringing feedback. So we don't add that rash enforcement. So that was why I content say, now that period we take experiments, say, okay, voluntary compliance, access to voluntary compliance.
So now when I say people not agree comply voluntarily, what am I going to do now?
Yes, even after the election, we don't start immediately, they catch people. We still even go to sensitization. You see our people carry megaphones, say, okay, They don't do election finish. So everybody go back to where you did. Market person go back to where you did before. Even when they come out from New Benin, we say go back. Ring Road people, we say go back, but we don't go. So that is why we now started with enforcement yesterday.
If I see because you mentioned New Benin now.
Yes.
When you look New Benin, by opposite where the former police station day.
Yes.
That section of New Benin, almost half the roads, if not more, have been taken over by people when they say.
When they say.
You understand? Especially early in the mornings too.
You are right.
Say yes, they don't take
early
over.
morning and late in the evening.
You say they don't take over the place.
Yeah.
And I don't decide, say yes, say, make they collect money for their hand. Maybe they stay there. So I go make a kind of revenue collection so that at least go take boost government IGRO. Now make them leave them there.
No, no.
But with the essence of the they will say yes, they give some of my people money. Now make them turn turn blind eyes.
You know, say definitely there must be excuse for why you are doing something. I bet you maybe later today make you pass there.
Okay.
You know, say yes, we don't mobilize with POWOK. They are part of the responsibility of POWOK to drive those people back. Now, because definitely everybody relaxed to watch whether people will comply. Something when you do before, you did for inside market. Why when they leave you, only you? They are not be small children, not be school children. Must they force you? Must they punish you? Must they seize your things? Must they throw away your things before you know say you go there for where? If you there where you decide, your market people when they won't buy, they go still come meet you for there. So that's why I say watch out. Maybe as from today, later make you pass there.
This compliance when we say they talk about. So what on the compliance side now? What will be the waiting I try to enforce now? When I say this is because that's not enforcement. Waiting how the color of the enforcement be?
Yes, before. You discover say people no violate traffic light again. If so traffic light violation no can reach 25%. People know too they violate when they know say we they catch them camera day we go capture them we go arrest them people come they obey but immediately we say okay on your own do it without we standing around with cameras they fail. I don't know whether so we are going back to start enforcing on that one. Then ring road like what you say bus stop no dey there we say no pick passenger for that ring road that entire ring road no pick passenger. Now we allow them say okay can they do it on their own make them no park for there they go back to that place then they carry passenger so now we will not allow then we clear forestry mission road because they create park for them to a particular place okay now from here to this place no park motor use.
Which kind arrangement you now get with the local government authority when we say they because with the 6 local government authority people they catch people when we say they say they park there they collect money for their hands. Yeah, because we they see them now they do for their shirt.
Well, I know okay they write out for their
yes,
shirt.
Now you well, they say they allow people to park there they pay some token.
No, I know sure where.
Now if you check up now
information
now they give you they wear brown shirts.
We go check.
And the rest of it for their back.
We go check okay. Whether those ones are they genuine. Okay. Are they actually representing the local government? The local government chairman did there.
Okay.
You know people. Okay. If people they impersonate, they use the local government, they take collect money, extort money from people.
This one they don't hide them. You will see paper for their hand. They wear uniform. They wear everything.
They write their name.
They write their name proof for you. Say boldly written.
Yeah.
So me not say anybody will be say you put that. But the enforcement we are saying that they enforce now. One of the tow vehicles now.
Yes.
So why not they tow the vehicles
for that place? That is why if you want pay money to person be careful you okay. Go pay money to person we come you notice say we don't put road sign for those places no parking signs dey for there you see no parking sign you park some you give another person money if we come there we go to am because we don't provide small place for inside ring road where una go fit park motor now right. So there is no way when person go complain now even 2 places Orokota out too they still dey park there
okay
you go still pay then we too don get so the place don large now at least when you go pay accommodate people so if you see road sign you park there you give money to person we no go ask you who collect money from
but
you.
But una get these people now the people they comply at all did they give una respect the people they park vehicles or people the traffic they give una respect.
Make I tell you so many things where they happen. One you go see some people they will park motor stay for inside. Because they dey for inside they think say we no go arrest them if we meet you for inside your motor you no comot there we will pick the vehicle.
Why you go pick the vehicle? You know how the master make you remove the vehicle, command.
When you see road sign say no parking sign, make you no park there.
Okay.
Because we don't do, we are
because when they grow up, and I remember when I asked you what question, you say, when is somebody they park for somewhere? That person remove the vehicle from there.
That's what you are saying.
So the man go there now, you know, see the road sign, he park there, and he stand for inside the motor.
No, but we don't put road sign for so many of those places. Go forestry, go Mission Road, you go see Ministry of Infrastructure. Even up to now, it still continue. Then they put. Even sometimes when we put, they remove and we put again.
Okay. But when they do all this thing, assisting and carry soldier men, carry bus in follow body.
That is what they call a multi-agency program.
No,
traffic management.
Is it because people don't they respect to now, don't they follow it to now they talk?
No, even the soldiers are part of the society now.
No, because what do we know? Because I don't see policemen among them. I saw vehicles. No, I say I know.
Yes, you know see policemen.
I see soldier men vehicles.
Okay.
I see soldier men when they walk out with leg.
Okay.
See soldier men when they carry guns.
Okay.
See soldier men when they stand and they tow people vehicles.
Okay.
And people they ask now, is it because the people don't respect so that I make out?
Not to say that when you leave enforcement for some time and you are coming back to it, you must be prepared because one, the society is volatile. You see a lot of gun running all over the place, a lot of cutting and fights all over the place. So if you person when you want drive come out, when you don't go back, it's like when you fight war, you capture a place, then you leave them for some time, and the enemy come back to the place, they won't go back. You know, go back with empty hand now. When you see some, when
but you say police, they will not support you. You will not see police.
Police today with us.
No, we will not see police. Because the way it be now, if at the end of the day, wait first now. If at the end of the day, on account they get issue, I feel say the S-man job will feel they threatened.
Okay.
Because one, if you don't feel enforce the team by yourself,
yes.
Police no feel enforcer. That's wait first now. Soldier now be saying they use now.
Yes.
You know understand? People call the look and say, what did they happen? Because if they look all this time, if you call the all these paramilitary bodies and all of that, because of people say police fail in their responsibilities. Now I mean, say because they bring all those stick up. You know if you say yes, say expert that they get issues now. Let me come say soldier.
No, will not be the first time when we get collaboration with uniform personnel now, police, civil defense, soldier, even Air Force. This is not we do operation together.
Okay.
We are all working together, but not be every time. But because the operation was massive, there were some vehicles we suspected that look, they were security breach. We don't even know what they carry.
Yeah.
Some of those vehicles have been locked up. Some vehicles have been parked. Immediately we left like this. Some vehicles have been parked in some strategic area for more than 2 weeks, and we don't know whether they were carrying ammunition. So we needed to tell the authority when they fear us dictator to follow us to the place to move those vehicles.
Well, the number of vehicles and the park so and the rest of that because there are plenty of when I get space on they put them so.
We get space. We provide space. Space there.
Okay.
We
but some of these vehicles the way people don't park.
Yes.
Some of them, if I'm not mistaken, even before you came as the GM of this thing, some of vehicles don't did there.
Okay.
When we see them meet, even the last set of S-bar before we say you can't take over, some vehicles don't see that till now.
Yes.
No, what is going to happen to those vehicles? What
no,
we
get with they call abandoned vehicle department. Abandoned vehicle department. Even some vehicles where we don't carry since we come, almost 1.5 years. Some people don't come because they live and you go see somebody just put motor for road for near a house. You know, you go put for sale. Maybe you know get where you go put am. So all those vehicles when we mop up the town because they were serving as security bridge. Sometimes some people go hide for under am in the night. So when we mop am up, people no come back. Recently we don't advertise all the vehicles. We write the put for media, for observer, for social media. Say the owners make they come carry am.
If they don't come,
make they come carry am. We don't give them 3 months. So maybe they can't carry those vehicles.
What about the offenses when they make? They're not going to pay for the offense?
A small flat rate. Government say no, they should come and take their vehicle.
Okay.
We are even looking at
playing close to nothing.
Yeah, we are even nothing safe. Just come and get a place. Don't carry it back to where
you took that from.
Then, after 3 months, we might be forced to give it to auctioneers because they are occupying our space. So that's why the one when we advertise for people, now we pay. We pay, it's free. We say, go and get your vehicle, go and discuss and carry your vehicle. What do we want to say? If you can't carry the vehicle, tell us where you they carry and go. Not be where we carry am, not be say we go put am back to that place. Just identify, we will follow you, go say, okay, inside my house now I wan put am now. Because it take us time, it take us money, it take us 2 vehicles fueling to carry am, but government say, okay, give am out to the owner. The owners should come and take the vehicle. So that's why we go advertise am. But after 3 months, if they no come, we will be forced to give it to auctioneers, make the auction am out. Since the people no come after almost 2 years, that means they are no longer interested in the vehicles. But then before the law, Ministry of Justice will give us the go ahead and everything will pass
the law to back all the action I want to take.
But government say, okay, never start auctioneer process. What you go do? You go back to newspaper, tell them maybe they can't carry their vehicle to decongest our own zones too.
In as much as Dennis they work to make sure say everywhere they clear. Yeah. You get so many people that when they say they work with you because you yourself you know if you be everywhere at the same time. You dey here now. Yes. You don't know what we say they happen for even outside this door when they here now. True. They say for every 12 there is a Judah.
Not true.
You understand?
Not true.
People they will be saying that already there now with you now. And they work do the work together and all of that. Now because they talk they hear of some people when we say they constantly they collect, they say, don't I, when I do it now, they do. How I say they take care of those kind of people?
Man, the punishment for collection of money is very stringent. I think that is what is still helping us. You know, say, I get experience for other traffic management. I know what they happen for other traffic management. I know go call her. Every day night they catch. You go see them collecting money a day. You can catch up to 10 people. They will face what they call personnel management. But this one, no personnel management like that. We get personnel management board, but once you are caught, like so they collect money and other, you know, social media, the cameras full everywhere. There is proof you are going. Last year,
not the price.
They're not the price. It's garbage out. That's why when I come, I beg. I say, let me just do garbage out, garbage in. If we drive, you make we put another person. So in our database, we get people when they wait. So immediately we can last year and 3 people go. Because of extortion, because it was proven. In fact, one of them, a senior person for government, I catch him on his own. Immediately he caught, and there was proof for it because the money, he asked her, where is the money you collected now? He bring her come out. I say that is the evidence. Okay, no need now. He's sacked. Oh yeah, somebody is replacing that very day. So that is the stringent measure. But there are other punishments, you know, dress where that one not be sacked.
That one not be sacked. Okay, I recall at a point people they complain of one beverage company when we say they near us here.
Okay.
If we call a 7-Up bottling company, because they look at say yes, don't they call them many a time. So the case when we say people come with fee say yes, say S-Man and Dennis. Say now be they say they don't compromise the system there and all of that. Even road safety, we call their name say what did they happen? And all of that. What is the position now? Because that's when they put their trucks, they block the road. They make me say go slow the day for that place all the time. Especially when they say one school, the opposite and there. For people to access the school and all of that, it's a problem because they go back the road for both sides of the road. And to make matters worse, they face their own side. You understand? They face their own side.
They have enough security.
You understand? They park for the road.
Sado, we want to commend you to you and this your management of your television on the track.
Thank you so much.
But I know how you put pressure on everybody, put us on our toes. You see, to compromise, there's no way you compromise now when they don't go know. But when we want to attend to issue like that, now step by step, we keep telling them it's possible they are not even aware they are doing something wrong. You put motor for a road throughout the night. What of motor go wrong, enter around? So, but recently we just discovered that they don't comply. They don't remove some of the vehicle. I think this morning, and I only 2 I see. Before they used to be 11, 15, you know, maybe based on the letters, memo, when we rise, sending people.
Meetings.
Yeah, we send our representative here, the young man, they work hard, Vincent, now they call her. He keep going there every day, keep going there. I think they started, but with the collaboration they say what they do with military, police, soldiers, civil defense, I think the fear too, they know when we bounce on them, we're going to pick the vehicles. So, but we are giving them to, by next week, we're sure we don't want to see any vehicle there because we don't want to discourage business. We want business people to come. We don't want to discourage people when they don't do business here. That's why we are very soft with them. You know that they employ people. And we don't want to cause them to
because
say,
they employ people, means they go do against the law.
that's why we are soft with them. That's why we don't do too hard. If not, one night, it doesn't take me 2 hours. I carry 2 vehicles, go there, I carry, and they can't name me.
Dennis Olorebe,
thank you very much.
So much.
God bless you.
Not saying NS will call you, you'll come again. Thank you so much. We'll take one break now. We'll come back, continue for where we say we'll stop. We'll talk to our brother Dennis Olorebe from the managing director, the general manager, rather. Who shall be the right of
managing director,
okay.
MD.
Okay, the managing director of Edo State Traffic Management, Traffic
Control and Management Agency.
Okay, ESMA, they don't tell us so many things. We don't get the belief now. Say if we go back to New Benin and tell the circular orderliness, go there. Not going anywhere, still with us. Name of the program, Good Morning from Benin.